While scrolling, I was getting bored and I decided to do a balcony makeover. So this is the inspo. So this is my inspiration, like wall painting, adding jhulas and everything. So let's do it. So we are going to start with the wall painting. So first step is to sketch. Obviously, when you are going to start with the first step, it's obviously going to be sketching. You're going to take your wax crayon and sketch them out. Second step is paint the stem. To paint the stem, you will require oil paint or acrylic black paint. And if it's your first time, use gloves and be careful that it will drip. Now I'm going to paint the leaves. Using teal color, I'm going to draw the leaves. I'm not going to sketch out the leaves because I am doing it free-handed. So now I'm going to connect the leaves with the stem using oil paint itself. Here I'm using 0 number brush. Till the time the leaves are getting dried, I am going to paint the chairs for the coffee table in the bigger balcony. I'm going to use white oil paint to paint them as per the theme. So now I'm going to shade the leaves. So I'm going to paint the leaves light green and then going to add sage green on top of it using the dab method as shown in the video. So this is how my balconies turned out and I'm so obsessed with it. Thanks for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel and also go and check my Instagram page. Thanks for watching. Bye.